Trading the FOMC minutes. The amazingly simple method to make money after the FOMC minutes are announced. Spare a few minutes in understanding what the FOMC minutes are all about, and then I will show you a current chart on how I attempted to make money using the latest FOMC announcement. Now, what is the FOMC minute? It's sometimes called the FOMC minutes, or sometimes it's called the FOMC statement. Well, basically, it's the primary tool the Federal Reserve uses to communicate with investors about their monetary policy. It contains the outcome of vote on interest rates and other policy measures, along with commentary about the economic conditions that influence their votes. Most importantly, it discusses the economic outlook and offers clues on the outcome of future votes. In short, the FOMC statement is an eye into the entire discussion which takes place in the Federal Reserve and their take on the US economy and the world economy as a whole. That's why it's a very important report which comes out 8 times a year, and traders watch it very carefully. They dissect each and every statement, each and every word, and make conclusions on what those actual words actually mean. I'm no expert at doing that. I have no idea what the FOMC statement might mean. Of course, after the markets have reacted in a particular way, I can always look back at the FOMC statement and find reasons for the market to react in that particular way. However, if the market had reacted in the absolute opposite way, perhaps I would have had enough of reasons to do just the opposite. So I'm no expert in deciphering what the FOMC minutes are all about. However, I am an expert in making money, and that's what I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share with you the exact method in which I make money after the FOMC minutes. This time it went down and then went straight up after that. However, if you notice the price from 215 and the end of the day price, it was lower, so I'd attempt to go short at 5 p.m. Arrow down with a 50 pip stop loss and a 100 pip target. Almost immediately the market goes against us. However, it doesn't stop us out just as yet. We go short from 91.30 and we get stopped at 91.80. The market hasn't reached there as yet. Let's see whether we get our target before we hit our stop loss. You see, after that the market went almost entirely in our favor. Let's look at another day. Now this is a typical example of a volatile FOMC day. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, has no clue on what the market reaction should be. However, let's look at how it closes the day. It's lower than where it actually began. So I would be tempted to sell. And that's exactly what I did. And let's see whether we make some money or not. If you see, it's pretty simple, amazingly simple method to make money, and that's what I'm interested in. I'm not interested in deciphering what the FOMC minutes are all about and taking a market direction based on what I understand the FOMC minutes to be. I let the market come to its own terms and I just follow them. This is the chart of today and the 27th of Jan 2010, and I'll attempt to show you what exactly I did to make money on my own accounts. I waited till the end of the day and I went long at 5 p.m. You see that after I went long at 89.90, the market has then almost immediately moved in my favor, and it's consolidating as we speak. I'm targeting 150 pips, and the reason for my 150 pip target is um, the 786% retracement, or 0.786% retracement of this entire move. I'll plot the number for you. So if we hit our target, we'll make lots of money. If we do not hit our target and get stopped out, we won't lose any money. I love these kind of trade setup. You could get these forex signals too. All you need to do is visit the free forex signals section of the website www.huskins.ca.